Hey guys, wanna know how to add effects in Wonderset Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, make sure you have Filmora opened and import any media from right here. Now once you've done that, just simply drag and drop the media to the timeline. And once you've done that, go to the effects corner that is right here. And once you've clicked on it, here you can see various effects. You can either put some basic blur, mild shake, borders, strokes, and so much more. In this video, I will keep some borders and show you how it is done. So make sure the border is above the clip that you have imported. Then also keep other effects at the same time, like some RGB smokes right here, and then just play. And there you have it. You can also put other effects like beautify, and there are also body effects, audio effects, and so much more. And that's it. That's how you easily add effects in Filmora. After you're done, just simply select export right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.